Get ready with a gay Igbo man who is sexy, glowy, juicy, moisturized, hydrated, and unbothered, divinely protected by my ancestors, doing all the amazing things and being the vibes. My man was just helping me tie my headscarf because if we don't have to do manual labor here, we don't have to do it. Okay? I refuse to sweat if someone is going to be able to help me. Let's get into this outfit quickly. This headscarf is from Longchamp. This t-shirt is from North Face. I borrowed it from my man actually. It belongs to him, but it works with what I want to do. I have a yellow top that I wanted to wear today, but it was too big from what I wanted to do. The denim pants is from Bershka Prada Monoliths. Chunky, lightweight. These 3 bracelets, ear cuffs, and my wristwatch from Tommy Hilfiger. These blades are from Zara, pistachio perfume from Laboratorium Lido, and black juniper from Laboratorium Lido as well. I love this combo, smells so freaking good. My tote bag from Longchamp because we love a bag. I totally forgot my lips are dry. Try and trusted lippies, Bioma peptide lip oil, and brown sugar from Summer Fridays. Yes, the lip is sleeping. Thank you so much for getting ready with me. If you have watched up until here, let us know what you think in the comment section. Make sure to listen to Igbo Queer and Unfiltered podcast. The podcast is released every Tuesday. You can listen to the podcast on every podcast platform that you listen to your podcast on. Subscribe to the African Gay Igbo vlog channel. Follow me on all my social channels. Have a wonderful time. I will see you in the next one.